Ryan here for Silly Reviews. Let's go ahead and hop in. Let's take a ride together in an all-original 1974 Ford Mustang. This vehicle was gifted to my little brother. I helped him with the sale. And now we need to get this daddy moving. That's right, the city put a notice on it. We need to get this thing off the street. As you can see here, I already popped the top. We're going to get it started up, cranked up. We're going to hit the road together. Let's go. Ryan here for Silly Reviews. Giving you guys a first-person view test drive of what it feels like to drive in a 1974 all-original Ford Mustang, baby. We're hauling it. We're hauling it. No, literally, we're hauling it.